Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. Here in this edition, I'm going to show you how I use my bamboo steamer. Generally, I just put a little bit of water right there. That's about 2 to 3 cups of water, and I heat it up using my double burner, and I usually use it to heat up my leftovers. In this example, I am heating up my leftover pasta. You can see I get to pile up really high. I put on a plate and then just put the lid on to the bamboo steamer, and generally within 5 minutes my leftovers will be completely heated up, ready to go. Okay, so I heated it for about 4 minutes. Because I have a double burner, so I'm able to steam a little bit more, and it's all done. The pasta is all nicely cooked and heated. Here's another example. I'm about to heat up my leftover omelet rice, and here is the water. You can tell I don't really need that much because I probably only need 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes to heat all this stuff up. And again, here are my steamers. I just kind of plop it in right here, my steamers, and I got 2 of them. I'll just pick one, and that's it. Very easy. And since I have a double burner, I know this will burn really fast. Just like that, and I'm just gonna leave it in there, put the lid over it, and done. This is how I heat up a lot of my food now. It's much better than using the microwave. Okay, the 5 minutes is up, let's see. And there it is, all nicely done. And I don't have to worry about the rice splattering everywhere all over the microwave. It's nicely heated and steamed, and it's gonna taste delicious. And this was all done in under 5 minutes. I don't even have to worry about the microwave anymore. Yep, it is completely heated all the way to the center. Right now I am heating up some leftover rice with bulgogi, and I'm gonna put that on a lower steamer versus the top steamer because I also have some quesadillas left over, and I'm going to heat this up too. Now the reason I'm putting this one on top is because, just from experience, the lower one tends to get more steam than the top one. I know it's kind of counterintuitive. You would think steam goes to the top, but for whatever reason, when I did like triple tier heating, the one on the bottom always got more heat and more steam than the top one. So this is just from experience. I don't want my quesadilla to be too soggy, but I do need it cooked along with the beans and the carnitas on the side. So I'm gonna put this one on the top tier, and now it should take about 5 minutes from this point on to have everything fully cooked. Okay, so it's almost 5 minutes. And I do believe the reason why the steam hits the bottom tier a little bit more than the top is because there's a little outlet on this side. So a lot of the steam escapes from the bottom. Hence, that's why whatever food you're cooking at the lowest tier will get more steam than the one on the top tier. Timer is up. I'm gonna hit stop. And I'm going to stop. Turn off the steam. And generally I let it just kind of like stay in there just a few more seconds, because otherwise if I open the lid now there's going to be a ton of steam coming out. But I'm just gonna test the top. Okay, the nice thing is this is plastic or some type of a plastic rubber, so it's not hot. I can just pick this up. But here we go. I'm gonna open this up and see how the quesadillas look. Ooh, looks like I may have overcooked the quesadilla. It's a little bit on the soggy side, but the carnitas look pretty good. And here's the last example. I am now heating up tamales in the original metal steamer baskets. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos, and please leave a comment as to whether you like to steam up your leftovers as well. Have a great day.